Hello everyone. Today is day 7 of 35-day challenge. We are going to solve this problem. Let as we always do, first we will read this problem. You are given a number n and you have to create a pattern of a star. The pattern should be like this. This is something like a hollow diamond. We can see that it is like a hollow diamond, and we have to take input from the user, and in this also the constraint is n is odd and constraint is 1 less than n and n less than equal to 100. Sample input is 5 and we have to print this pattern. So let's first discuss this pattern. In this pattern, in first row there are 3 stars, 1 space, 3 stars. In second row there are 2 space, 1 2 3, 3 star, 2 space. Then in third row there is one space, one, there is one star, one, two, three, four, five, five spaces, one star. In next row there is two star, three spaces, two star. And in next row there are three spaces, three star, two spaces, and three star. So let's now now it is clear that first we have to print a star, then we have to print spaces, and then again the star. It is clear to everyone, I think so. So now let's move on to the next part. In next part, in first there is in first part, like if you see this part here, spaces are decreasing. Here spaces are increasing. Here spaces are increasing and stars are decreasing. And here in this part spaces are in spaces are spaces are increasing in this part and spaces are decreasing in this part, and this part is like we can say the constant part, or it is constant, you can say that. So now let's first now we will take st. First, our first variable will be st equal to n by 2 plus 1. Why I am doing plus 1? That must be a question from your side. I am doing n by 2 plus 1 because in first the stars are decreasing and then the stars are increasing. So we have to this pattern is dependent on the star. So we are taking st equal to n by 2 and sp will be 1 in this case. Now we will use our renowned for loop that we are using in every problem. I equals to 1, then I less than equal to n, I less than equal to sorry less than equal to n, I plus plus, this is what we are getting. Now what we will be printing here, we will be printing SOS ST first star, then SP spaces, and then again ST. So now what is the pattern? Like spaces are decreasing. So in first part, if I less than equal to n by 2, then spaces are decreasing, then spaces are increasing by 1 by 2, and stars are decreasing by 1. And in next part, else part, the stars are increasing and spaces are decreasing. I hope this part is understandable to you. Now let's move on to the coding part. Let's move on to our VS Code. Let's move on to the coding part. Here we have taken input from the user in this line. Now let's declare the variable st as star and sp as star and sp as for I equals to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus system dot out dot print ln print star plus sp. Plus sp comma st. Then moving on to the next part, if n by 2 greater than equal to, if I greater than equal to n by 2, then sp is increasing by 2 and st is decreasing by 1. Else st is decreasing and st is decreasing by 2 is increasing by 2 and sp is decreasing by 1. Now let's check our code. Type 5. Now you can see that we are getting 3 star 1 space 3 star 2 spaces 2 star 3 spaces 2 star 1 space 5 is 1 star 5 spaces 1 star 2 star 3 spaces 2 star 3 spaces 1 3 star 1 spaces 3 star. So we are getting this now, but our main motive is to get the hollow diamond, a pattern like this. Our main motive is to get a pattern like this one. We have to get pattern like this and not getting that numbers. So now we have to use loops in it. Firstly, I will remove it, then we will use that loops. Our first loop will be for j equal to 1, j less than equal to st. We have to print star space then star. So st j plus plus system dot out dot print ln. We have to print star here, so slash t. In next part I'm just copying it to save your time because this video is getting too long, but you have to just type it by your own so that it will increase your practice. Now just removing st from here and adding a space and removing this and removing also println because don't want to go to the next line. And now as we have to go in the next line also, so system dot out dot print ln print ln. Now let's see. Now as our coding part is completed, let's run this code. The code is running. There is some error reached and out of parsing one error. Now it will be correct, I think. J1 curly braces will uh, class name should be same as the file name. So now I think this code will be correct. Let me type 5. Yeah, we are getting the same output that was needed there. So If anyone wants to take a screenshot of this code, he or she can take it. And that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video, and do practice previous problem also, because coding needs practice.